Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss variables in C. What is variable? A variable in C is used to store data of different data types. It is basic building block of a C program. Here is the syntax. Data type, variable name, value. This is the syntax for declaring and initializing the single value variable. Data type, variable name 1, variable name 2. This is used this is to declare multiple variables. What is data type here? It is type of data that variable can store. For example, int, float. Variable name. Name of the variable given by the user. It is up to user how we can declare. Example a, num1, num2. Value. Value assigned to the variable by the user. Here is the examples of the declaring variable. Int a, float b, character c. It is a is a integer variable, b is a float type variable, c is a character type variable. These are the examples. Next, here we see data type variable name. Like we call both the definition. Here value, it is a initialization. So when we declare a variable, we have to when we assign the some value to the variable, then we can say it is a initialization. Data type variable name, we call it as a definition, and when we assign the value to the variable name, we'll say it is a initialization. Next type, here we see there are three aspects in defining a variable. First, variable declaration, variable definition, and last one, variable initialization. What is variable declaration? Variable declaration in C tells the compiler about the existence of the variable with a given name and data type. What is variable definition? It is the definition of a C variable. The compiler allocates some memory and some value to it. Example, int a. This is the variable definition. Next, variable initialization. Initialization of a variable is the process where the user assigns some meaningful value to the variable when creating the variable. Here, example, int a is equal to 10. So this is initialization, variable initialization. Next, difference between variable initialization and assignment. Initialization occurs when a variable is first declared and assigned an initial value. Assignment involves setting or updating the value of an already declared variable, and this can be happen multiple times after the initialization. Here if we see example, int a is equal to 10. So we have given the value during variable declaration only. So it is initialization. Here we are after initialization, we are setting up the value to the variable a. So we call it as assignment. Next, we have few rules to, to write the variables in C language. So what are those? First one, a variable name must only contain alphabets, digits and underscore. A variable name must start with an alphabet or an underscore only. It cannot start with a digit. No white space is allowed within the variable name. A variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Next, types of variables. What are those? Local variables. First one. What is local variable? A local variable in C is a variable that is declared inside a function or a block of code. Its scope is limited to the block or function in which it is declared. Next, global variables. What is global variable? A global variable in C is a variable that is declared outside the function, or a block of code. Its scope is the whole program. That is, we can access the global variable anywhere in the C program after it is declared. Next, static variables in C. What is static variable? A static variable in C is a variable that is defined using the static keyword. It can be defined only once in a C program and its scope depends upon the region where it is declared. Next, automatic variables in C. All the local variables are automatic variables by default. They are also known as auto variables. External variables in C. What is external variable? External variable in C can be shared between multiple C files. We can declare an external variable using the extend keyword. Their scope is global and they exist between multiple C files. Other one, register variable in C. What is register variables? Register variables in C are those variables that are stored in the CPU register instead of the conventional storage place like RAM. Their scope is local and exists till the end of the block or a function. Thank you.